Vijay Traudikar. Today we will discuss a battery ignition system, or it is also called as the electronics ignition system. It is a very complex electrical ignition system. Its main function is to produce the spark, which will initiate the process in the combustion chamber during the combustion process. The essential element which is visible on your screen are the armature, ignition coil, electronics ignition module, distributor, spark plug, and the battery. When the ignition switch is turned on, the circuit is flow from the battery towards the primary. When primary windings initiate, the armature tooth comes in contact with the pickup coil and the voltage is generated. Now see, this armature tooth comes in contact in front of the pickup coil and the voltage is generated. The armature sends a signal towards a ignition module to make and break the circuit. Electronics module senses a signal produced by the pickup coil and stop the current flow. Timing circuit in the ignition module turns on and the flow when the armature tooth is away. In this way, there is a continuous make and break of the current in the magnetic field. Due to this, a high voltage around 50,000 volt is produced. This high voltage is then transferred towards a distributor. The rotor inside the distributor rotates according to the ignition timing. The rotors come in contact with the distributor point exactly. The voltage jumps from the rotor to the distributor point. In this way, the high voltage is transferred to the spark plug through the high tension cable, which is visible on your screen. The voltage difference generated between the spark plug that is a central electrode and a ground electrode, a voltage continue to be transferred towards the central electrode through the insulator. When the voltage exceeds the dielectric strength between the electrode, gases are ionized. Due to ionization, gases becomes a conductor and allow the current to flow through the gap, and finally a spark is produced.